To make this easy snack. Hello, it's a great honor to have you in my kitchen once again. And with this, oh my goodness, you will love it. So we are making donuts, African drop donut, and this was very easy to put together, and the outcome was marvelous. I know very well that you'll fall in love with it. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here about 3 tablespoons of butter. You can use margarine and you are good to go. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I'm so grateful that you always spend some time with me. I've added half cup of sugar. Okay, you can increase the sugar or reduce it as well. I would have added maybe 3 tablespoons if were the people going to eat it. I mean my family, because we don't like sugar. Okay, yeah, but this particular one is for someone. Now I think it was for my daughter's school. Yes, I prepared it in a larger quantity, and then it wasn't enough, and this was the additional one I made. Now I'll go ahead and then add my eggs. So in all, we are using 5 eggs. Mix it very well, and then we proceed. Thank you so much once again for watching from the beginning till now. It means you are liking the video already. Kindly like the video, share to others. Let me see your comments in the comment section. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So now that we have mixed ingredient, this is how it looks. It was like some of the this thing yes has removed, yeah, that. So I was just looking through it very well, because this is for kids and I don't want any trouble. So I added the eggs to it bit by bit, and that was very helpful. So just add it one by one or bit by bit, so you are done adding everything. It makes the mixing very easy. When making this recipe, you need liquid, and you can use water or milk. So I'm going in for my whole milk, and we are going to use 2.5 cups in all. I've added 2 cups right now. I'll mix it very well. I'll go ahead and then add my 5 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, mix it very well, and then you are good to go. We are adding that to it bit by bit, so that we will not give our arm a lot of work, or work that is very heavier than us. Okay, so we are adding it to it bit by bit. You can as well get some milk powder, dilute it or mix it, not dilute milk powder, and then mix it with your water, and then you are good to go. Okay, or you can just add the milk powder to it directly instead of using the whole milk. You can as well use the 2. If you have evaporated milk, you can just dilute that. With this, we can use the word dilute. You can dilute it with your water, and then use the same quantity we are using in this video, and you are good to go. Now add the rest of the milk, and that is what you are seeing. Mix it very well before we go ahead and add the other ingredients. I have so many ways I prepare my donut, and it will be very helpful if you watch other videos on my channel. Trust me, these donuts are very delicious and very easy to put together. I've added the rest of the flour, and I'll go ahead and add a tablespoon of baking powder. Someone may ask, can I use baking soda? Yes, you can, but you are not going to use a tablespoon of baking soda, because baking soda is very harsh. Okay, so when you are preparing something that requires baking powder and you don't have that, or you decide to use baking soda, you have to reduce the quantity. Okay, so maybe you can go for half a tablespoon of baking soda because it is very strong. Let me use this word. It is very strong. That is just by the way. We'll just go ahead and then mix it very well. I changed the hand whisk because I didn't want it to look as if it was peeling, which I told you earlier that I prepared this for my daughter's school. They were having some program. I made some in a larger quantity and it wasn't enough. Okay, so because they are kids, I just, not that because they are kids, you are sending something outside, even if it's for you, you have to be very careful. And if it is for you, you'll be able to remove it from it without any problem. But since you are sending it outside, you have to be very careful. You'll be there and then you see it on social media. Hey, see you. I ate this and I bought this from this person and I saw this in it. So that's why I was so much concern about it and I changed it. Okay, now go ahead and then mix it. As you are seeing on the screen, I added about a tablespoon of vanilla and I'm mixing it with my spatula. I just don't want to use the whisk again. Okay, where we have gotten to, the whisk is not that strong. I have my oil on fire and it is ready. I will just go ahead and start dropping our donut. You just have to drop it just like how you are seeing on the screen. It is very easy to drop. Okay, as you can see, the oil is not very high and it is not very low, because if you are not very careful, the inside will not cook well. So make sure the fire is not very high, okay, and it is not very low as well. Trust me, the kids really enjoy this and they fell in love for it. They asked for more. The one I just removed was the first one that I dropped. Okay, I realized that the oil wasn't that hot, so I left it in so that I can monitor it for it to prove to me that the oil is hot. Okay, so that is why I removed that in. Just look at how delicious and inviting they look. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. As you can see, I am just trying my best to keep an eye on it so that it will not burn and I will get that perfect outcome I am looking for. These ones usually do not flip by themselves as compared to puff puff. Okay, so you have to keep an eye on them and then you are good to go. At this moment, the donut is ready. You can just go ahead and remove it, but we want it a bit brown before we can remove it. So I am making my paper towel and my colander ready so that I can remove them from the oil after some few minutes when they are brown. Now it is ready. I'll go ahead and then remove them, allow them to be on the paper towel, and trust me, this was perfectly made. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning till now. Try this recipe and let me know the outcome. Just look at that, absolutely delicious. I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.